Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete your audio on CapCut browser. So simply, all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go to the URL section and type CapCut.com and hit the enter button. So of course when you do that, that will not be your home screen like me. For you, you will have another main screen. If it's your first time, of course, you'll have at the right of this screen on how to, not how, of course, or if you want to download it, you can actually click on it and start the downloading. Of course, you'll find a video on the channel how to download it on your PC. I mean the CapCut, of course. If you don't want to go through all the steps of downloading it alone, you can just go and check one of our videos in this channel, as I said. And of course, if you want to start using it on a browser, you'll need to click on the left side option. Once you click on that, you'll need to log in into your account. They will ask you to log in into your account, and if you don't have an account, you will need to actually create your account. You can even create your account with the Google account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating your account. So once you actually log in into your account, you'll find this as your home or as your main screen. And of course you can open some recent projects if you have ones. If you don't have any recent projects, you can just go and create a blank canvas. So of course once you click on that, you'll need to wait a bit until it loads. And of course if you have it on your PC downloaded, you'll not need to wait anything like that, and you will even have it smoother and faster, of course, and you'll have the full features, not like just in browser. So once you have this page, of course I'm just going to upload a simple video which has 3 seconds, and of course once it's uploaded I'm just going to drag it here at the editing option. So of course from here, if I want to delete the audio of that video, simply I'll just need to go here at the top right corner and click at the audio and volume. I'm just going to make it minus infinite. I have a second option, of course. I have a second option which is just like this option right here. Just click at it once, and as you can see now it's silenced, and then we can export your video and you'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this video, and goodbye.